We're out in the middle of the sticks. We've got the Offgrid. You're joking. We're into it. Look how you will win yourself a hoodie, or a t-shirt, or a hat of any kind across the store. That is getting hot up here. Happy Saturday, OGs. Come with me on a ride and cook. We're on the two-wheeler. We've got a bag full of gear to make some smash burgers. We're heading off into the unknown, into the Offgrid. We'll find a lovely spot, have a lovely cook-up, crack a little tin of Guinness and enjoy the sunshine. Oh, now let's hop straight into this adventure. Right people, this is where it officially gets off grid. This is the last little section. We're into it, baby. We're into the sanctuary. We're into it. Look how gorgeous it is though. You step down, just gorgeous. Lovely stream going through a big old wood. Just love getting outdoors. Love getting out, getting active. Absolutely love it. And look, it all just opens up. It's one big playground. So we finally sorted the SD card issue. SIV SD card in here now. It's 256 gig. So I've got hours and hours worth of filming I can get done. It's been a while since I've been out in these neck of the woods. God, I've missed it. Yeah, I go over this little bridge. Oh, come on. Doing this with one hand. There we go. Whew. Now this place brings me back to the lockdown days. It's an absolute sanctuary. That was the best summer holidays ever. Let me take you for a run through of all the gear that's in here so we can have our ride and cook the right way. So firstly, we've got a little wind block. Got a little wind block for the jet boil. We've got our OEX pan to whack on the jet boil. She's got the jet boil, but we're not going to be using that. We're only going to be using the bit underneath. We've got gas, a little spatula. We've got 20% fat minced beef. We've got cheddar cheese slices. You can't have a burger without cheddar cheese. We've got the brioche bun. We've got the Offgrid chopping board. Got ourselves a knife, a bit of salt, a bit of mixed herbs, and most importantly, a good old Guinness. And all of that here is going to help us have a ride and cook. Oh, and some spray light because we don't want it sticking everywhere. And that's all the gear that we've got in here, and you will not believe that it'll fit all in here. Like, a stupid amount of gear. That's all the stuff we're going to be using for that cookout up there. Right, now I've taken you through a run through of all my gear. Funny, I know, I've got a chopping board, a full-on chopping board in my bag. Full-on chopping board in the bag, got a spatula. Gordon Ramsay out here. We're out on the Santa Cruz Bronson R1, my absolute pride and joy, my baby. Oh, my legs are about to get absolutely tarnished. Right, made out the other side. Whew. Used to make mud jumps in there, but now that's completely overgrown. Completely overgrown. Look where we are. Beautiful. That little tiny road down there, that's where we've come from. Lovely views opened up. Absolutely love it up here. Fucking flies. Oh, that looks like a lovely little spot, doesn't it? Look at the view you get to look at. It's either there or right up there. Let's have a look. Oh, like that. Actually, I think here we'll perch up here and we'll start the cook. Let's get all this gear out then for this ride and cook, because I am absolutely starving. What it's all about. Get out there, do something different. I had no clue I was going to be doing this today. Not a clue. I didn't even think I'd be out on the bike, let alone going out on the bike and then making some smash burgers out off grid. But that's what we need right there. Get this lovely little piece out. Lovely bit of kit that is. That on there. I think we're ready to start making the smash burgers. So all we need is a knife, pepper. I think a lot of it's come out in my bag, but a load of mixed herbs. Right people, we're about to start making the smash burgers like that. So You want to grab a little piece. Let's have a look. That, like that. Get yourself a lovely square like that. Then you want to start mushing it in, smashing it all together like that. Get your seasoning like that. Put a fair bit in there. Load of pepper. Love a peppery steak. Now you want to sort of separate them so it's all distributed nice and evenly. Pick up any of this. I'm probably picking up a load of dirt here, but who cares? There we go. And there you have it. There's our first patty right there. It's got all the seasoning in it, ready to go. And the reason you get the 20% is because it doesn't dry out. Obviously all the fat, all the juices come out, keeps it nice and moist. If you get like 5%, it will go all dry and crumbly and horrible. Get the 20%, it will stay nice and juicy. Make a double us. And here they are, the 2 smash burgers, ready to go onto the pan on the Offgrid chopping board. While we're off-grid as well, can't beat it. Yeah, boy. I'm chuffed with that. I'm just deep in it now. We're out in the middle of the sticks. We've got 2 burgers there ready to be smashed on. Ah, this is what it's all about. Out in the sunshine, wearing the latest Offgrid long sleeve t-shirt in white, Special Ops logo. If you haven't already, hop onto the store and grab yours now. Grab a snapback whilst you're at it as well, because they're on sale. Whew, life's good. Woo! Stick this jet boil on, get her burning. Straight away, let's get this out. You're joking. That's what you get for trying to film and do it at the same time. It's all right, it's all right. It's only a little bit of dirt. What a twat. What a goon. Let's get the other one on. Bosh. Like that. Put the heat down a bit. That is getting hot up here. One thing for it, and it's breaking out one of these bad boys. Let that cook up. Break out one of these. Way up. Woo, woo. Happy Saturday, everybody. We've got the burgers going down. We've got unlimited views, pure sunshine, blue skies. Oh. Got some food cooking down. Got the bite there. So happy I've come out and done this. So happy. So happy I've come out and done this. Spontaneous, completely spontaneous. They're looking like an absolute treat as well. What I'm gonna do is, oh, I need the cheese. All right, now we set the burgers aside, let them cool down, throw these on, toast the buns up. And there it is, people, toasted buns. Now give that ourselves a lovely cheeseburger while we're off grid. That is gorgeous. That is absolutely lovely. Come out on the bike, fired it all up, got ourselves a big old burger. God, right, I'm going to sit down, enjoy this, sip my Guinness, just take it in for a minute. It is absolutely roasting where I'm sat right now. There is not a breath of wind. Woo! Absolutely love it, man. Absolutely love it. Whenever the sun's out, I try and come out as much as I can to make the most of it, because this country, we lack it. I just thrive in it, absolutely thrive in it. And obviously being in a different country as well, I absolutely love being abroad, flying places. I love going away in a van as well. That's why I'm trying to work hard towards this Sprinter, so that then I can drive abroad with me and my girlfriend. so we can drive abroad, drive to all the places that we've been to on a plane. Well, maybe not all of them, but go to back to a few places we've been to on a plane, but in the van. That'll be quite a surreal moment. Got loads of plans for the Sprinter, loads and loads of plans. My girlfriend's made a massive mood board already of what we should get, and with obviously my permission as well. This is all quality controlled by me. And that's it. But I can't wait, cannot wait to get one. And it'll be I don't know when it'll be. It could be next week, it could be next month, I don't know. And if I find the right one for the right price, and it's just the one to get, find the right one that you want to keep and forever. So guys, I want you to put down in the comments down below what we should call these little ride and cook sessions. If you've got any better names that we should come up with, and we should make this into a thing that I do every now and then. And if you've enjoyed it, we'll carry it on. So put down some names down below. Whoever I pick, you will win yourself a hoodie or a t-shirt or a hat of any kind across the store. So pretty much you'll get a free item across the whole store of your choice if I choose your name and you've come up with the coolest name for these ride and cooks. So yeah, get commenting down below and you could be winning some merch. I'm gonna get tidied up and mosey on out of here. And he's going right in here, in my jet boil. Like that. Litter in beautiful places. Right, there we go, people. All packed up, all cleared away. Leave no trace. There's nothing here to even say that I've been here at all. Even though we've had packs of mincemeat out, we've had cheese out, we've had everything out. Seasoning, and we've left no trace whatsoever. Well, let's just keep everywhere beautiful. Absolutely anywhere that you go, just try and do your bit. We're literally going to make a beeline down there, I think. Not too sure. I remember the last time I done this on the BMX with no brakes. We slung it, people. We made a beeline for it. Right then, as I'm here, I may as well show you this. So this barn here was a little headquarters, little barn here, broken down barn. This was a big meeting up point. Oh, fuck off. Oh. Right, just an abandoned barn. It's got all this stuff in, and over there we built a little chimney sort of thing, a little fireplace. Look, little fireplace there. We used to come in here, we used to have fires in here, but it's all overgrown now completely. Used to use that as a big bench. Can't believe it's still standing. These are new though. These are really new, so I'm imagining, well, obviously it's for the structure, to keep it up. Oh, God, I got stung bad. Ah, be hurting now. Oh man. Oh, I don't want to go back through that way now. Ow. But yeah, let's see. Oh, I just have to go back through. Got a cool little hideout. Spent many hours in here. Right people, I'm going to end the video right there because we've done the ride and cook out. I've brought you guys on a bit of a little escapade with me. I showed you a few bits. Oh, so I'm going to get back now, do a few more bits. I'll probably work on this video, to be fair, plug it straight into the computer and start editing it and trying to get it out ASAP. Thank you guys for watching, and like I say, think of the names down below, drop them down below. Whoever's name I pick, whoever's I think is the coolest, you'll be winning yourself some free items, my friend. So get commenting, subscribe, like, comment, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you guys very, very soon. Enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you again very soon. Off-grid outdoor living. This is what we're here for, baby. Let's go.